We have here an square. This is the small one we had. This is almost 5.5 by almost 5.5. So because it's not exactly, we will use the wrong size of the fabric. I will use it 5 here and same in the another side. Cross the line. After we will cut and we will have our first square. And we will do the same with the another scraps. And before we start to cut all of them, we use the iron to make all them flat, and in that way we minimize the mistakes. Now that we had one as a reference, little cutter, we can start to use it to make the process a little more faster. After we finish all of them, we can start to have a lot of fun, and you can working in the way you like it. Any design can be great, and I will say is one piece of this one is said the way to a friend's house is never long. That is beautiful. We had one here, we put it here in the middle. Then we will start to add more pieces and working with the designs we want. We can see how our designs look, and always have in mind had to be the same number of squares in the horizontal way and the vertical way. If you want to add more on the side, that's okay. That will be a rectangular, but we working at this moment in a square mat. We will working one rod at a time. We will take one piece, leaving facing the right size of the fabric, and we take another piece facing the right size of the fabric, and we will put a pin on the side because we will sewing in the seams. We had that one, and after we do the same with another piece of fabric. And we will do that one more time with another fabric. After that, we go into the machine and we will start to sewing. Then we will sewing one size of the 4-piece facing the fabric, the right side with the right side. We can pin, and we will sewing in the seams, and after we do that, we will do the same with another part. Pin the fabric, and after we will do the same with the last piece. We go into the machine and finish this part with all the pieces together. Now we had one layer, and we had a second layer that's matching the color with our prints. We will cut the second layer the same size of the first one. This is a wonderful project. You can make a mat for your cat, something they can enjoy. As we always say, no need to be perfect. It's the love the dedication we put in there. When we have ready our second layer of fabric, we can add, this is a batik. It's something made more soft, something nice. They can enjoy, sit and relax. I will put some pins to hold the fabric in place. And after that, we will use our pepper scissors to have the same size of our layers. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and hit like, and let us know if another project may you like we work for you. And this is wonderful because you can use it any fabric, you can recycle any dress or blouse you had at home and you don't want to use it. All of them can be different colors and they will look amazing. Now we have 3 layers. One is fabric with the scraps. One layer will be the back of the mat, and the batik will be in the middle. We'll take our layer that will go in the top and we will place it. We can move the pins and add that fabric, and after we do that we will sew in and for all the edge and leaving a gap. It's important to treat your corners, just cut a little bit and make very small cuts around the mat. And when you're done, you have to touch inside out the fabric using the gap. Try to get one of the corners and bring the fabric to the front. Take your time, no need to rush. And before I close the gap, this mat will be for Chinoy. It's the beautiful cat, beautiful girl. I will put some carne right here, and after that I will close the gap and I will sew in around the mat.
And then give it to your cat to enjoy, so she can yell at you from the cuteness of the mat that you created with all the love you have. And if your cat decides to use the mat as a blanket or a toy, that's okay. We hope you get as many cute and adorable memories as we are with this mat. And if you want to see how to use fabric scraps to create a toy for your cat, watch my mom's video right here. And we'll see you there for more cuteness.